Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you some amazing and stylish fireplace Christmas decoration ideas. So viewers, let's start today's video. Friends, Christmas fireplace cozy and glow. This fireplace brings the heart of Christmas into the room. Soft flame, light, and warm decoration create a cozy glow that feel like home. A perfect place for a quiet moments of outlook and holiday magic. Winter cabin vibe. A fireplace that feel like a winter cabin escape. Rustic wood, nature, green, and a gentle fire turn these corners into the coziest spot of the season. Simple, warm, and deeply comfort. Christmas fireplace, elegant holiday matter. White golden essence of candles and shimmering ornaments, this fireplace becomes a showcase of golden elegance. Every detail and a touch of luxury, keeping the space warm and inviting. Fireplace, traditional Christmas decoration. This fireplace looks like a Christmas from a center. Christmas move. Sparkling lights, snow, and a glowing fire creating a dreamy holiday that feel magic from every angle. A clean modern fireplace with soft lights and simple green. The decoration is clean, balanced, and peaceful. Viewers, a clean modern fireplace with soft lights and simple trimmings. The decoration is clean, balanced, and peaceful, perfect for all our fresh new Christmas look. Warm wood stones, cozy and natural elements bring farmhouse charm to this Christmas fireplace. It's simple and full of gentle holiday warmth. And friends, kids Christmas fun, bright color, playful walking, and natural good decoration turn this fireplace into a fun family friends setup, perfect for creating joyful holiday moments and memories. Luxury holiday setting, rich extreme and warm lights, create a luxury Christmas fireplace look elegant, glowing, and beautiful festive.